Okay, it's January 4th. We're here in Virginia Beach at Uncle and Tita's house. Uncle Oscar and Tita Julieta Gonzalez's house in Virginia Beach. I think we got a foot of snow already. Babe! Mike! Tindig dito! Okay. Woo! Oh my lord. Oh shoot. Snowing bad.
What is that?
It accumulates. It's a video. It accumulated a lot from last night. I think more than 12 inches too.
Not 12, like 6.
Really? Oh my god.
Snow angel.
Okay. Post in here. Picture. Man. There, another one. Oh my god.
Babe, we're gonna do snow angel.
Hold on. Okay. Okay, people, look at the van. The van is covered with snow. This is their house. And these are the
we're gonna
two.
make our snow angel.
Okay. Okay. Another one sa harap ng bahay nila. Okay, smile.
Babe, here.
Hmm.
Gatig-awan ang lips ko.
Okay. There.
Okay.
Picture, sige. Smile. Okay, hold on.
Tama lang ang video. Video eh kami pa.
Hmm.
Okay?
Bumirang ko. Ito bumirang. May bumirang ka na?
No.
1, 2, 3, go. Sige.
Wow!
Isa pa ka namin.
1,
Nabi?
2, 3.
Dali lang, Mike.
Siya mang bala.
Ako mamba.
Ito
Sige,
yan, buya.
1, 2, sige, go. Hala, isa pa ka lang. Ay, Ganito lang. Tumutumbo lang.
1, 2, 3, go!
Sige.